What is Zillow? Zillow is an online real estate marketplace and technology company that provides tools and data for buying, selling, renting, and financing homes. It offers home listings, estimated values called Zestimates, market trends, and resources like mortgage calculators and agent directories. Users can search for properties, view photos, and connect with real estate professionals. Have you ever wondered, where does Zillow acquire its listings through? Well, here are four main areas. One, multiple listing services, MLS. Yes, realtor and real estate brokerage data. Zillow partners with hundreds of MLS databases, which are regional systems used by real estate agents to share property listings. Agents and brokers submit listings to the MLS, and Zillow aggregates this data through agreements. Two, direct feeds from brokerages and agents. Real estate brokers, agents, and franchises send listings directly to Zillow via data feeds, often to gain exposure. This includes both MLS and non-MLS listings. Three, for sale by owner properties. Homeowners can list properties directly on Zillow without an agent, uploading details and photos themselves. Four, public records and data aggregation. For non-active listings or estimates like Zestimates, Zillow uses public records, tax data, and user-submitted information to populate its database. If you're like most property owners, you have logged into Zillow and typed in your address to see what Zillow has your property valued at. This is called a Zestimate. What is a Zestimate? The accuracy of Zillow's Zestimate, an automated home valuation tool, varies. It uses algorithms that analyze public records, MLS data, recent sales, and user-submitted information to estimate a home's market value. However, its reliability depends on several factors. One of these factors is data availability. In areas with robust, up-to-date data, example, urban markets with frequent sales, estimates tend to be more accurate. In rural or less active markets, limited data can reduce precision. Two, market conditions. Rapidly changing markets can outpace estimate updates, leading to discrepancies. Three, property uniqueness. Unique homes, custom builds, or properties with unrecorded upgrades, example would be renovations not in public records, may not be accurately valued. And number four, national accuracy. Zillow reports a median error rate of around 2 to 3% for homes on the market and 6 to 8% for off-market homes, but this varies by region. For example, a $500,000 home with a 3% error could be off by $15,000. What are some strengths of Zillow? Well, one, provide a quick, free estimate based on extensive data, useful for ballpark figures or comparing trends in an area. Two, limitations. This is not a substitute for a professional appraisal which considers detailed inspections and local nuances. May miss qualitative factors like home condition, curb appeal, and neighborhood dynamics. Users sometimes report estimates significantly off from actual sales prices, especially in volatile markets. For critical decisions, rely on appraisals or comparative market analysis from real estate agents. Zestimate is a starting point, not a definitive valuation. Be open-minded when looking at your property's estimate and make sure to use an appraiser or real estate agent for a more accurate and detailed valuation. See you next time.